Do you have any pets?
Yes.
What do you have?
I have 3 horses, 8 chickens,
Wow.
a baby lamb, and 2 dogs.
Wow.
Do you live in an apartment?
No. My name is Lilly Wilker. I'm 11 years old. I come from New Bremen, Ohio. I live on a small farm with my mom and dad. Living on the farm is the best. I love to talk with the animals. I definitely spend more time with animals than I do with people. Hey, count your sheep. Being here at America's Got Talent, this is the biggest day of my life, and it's so exciting.
What would you do with $1 million if you won the entire series of America's Got Talent?
I donate it to hospitals and animal shelters.
Aww.
Wow. You could be the nicest contestant we've ever had, Lily. You're adorable. Good luck.
Have you got the giggles?
Dolphin. Turkey. Horse.
That's great.
Dog. This is for you, Simon. Dog. My duck.
Brilliant.
Now, my rooster.
Whatever that is. I don't know. Pigeon.
That was fantastic, Lily.
Thank you.
Howie, what did you think?
You ever do it at the back of the class?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's a teacher go, who brought a goat? Does that ever happen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I love you.
Thank you.
You are such a sweet girl and so likable.
Thank you.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done.
Heidi.
I thought it was a lot of fun. My favorite probably was the horse. I think you're great.
Amazing. Lily, I think America is going to absolutely fall in love with you. I do. You're so much fun. And look, this show, it's all about fun. It's all about originality. I'm not sure whether this is going to win, so we're going to have to step up the act a little bit, Lily.
Okay.
But I'm really happy that you auditioned. I'm going to kick this off with a yes.
Thank you.
Heidi?
I give you a yes as well.
Thank you.
Mel?
I'm giving you your 3rd yes.
Thank you.
Howie?
I am giving you your 4th yes.
Thank you.
She is so sweet.
That was amazing.
You're gonna go celebrate with Mama? We're gonna order a pizza and jump on hotel beds. That's what our night is.
I did that with my mama before.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Dad. I just got